Hi! Welcome to another video of Appo Workspace. In this video, we will show you how you can access the Sign module. So, let's get started. Once you log into your admin account on the Appo Workspace panel, this is the first view or dashboard you will see. From here, you can go to the People Hub view, and from there you can access the Sign module from there. Once I open the Sign module, these are the three things you will see on the left sidebar. The first one is Templates. Under the Templates option, you will see all of my existing templates that I have already created, including appointment letters, offer letters, welcome letters, joining letters, and other documents. If I want to create a new letter or a new template, I just have to click on the Add Template button. From here, I can start writing and editing my template. From here, I can give my template a name. And below that you will see a rich text editor, which is similar to Microsoft Word. Here, you will also find a guide for the layout and margins, including the top, bottom, left, and right margins. This guide gives you an idea of where you can start writing and how much margin you should maintain. If you don't want to see this guide, you can click on Hide Guide, and it will disappear. If you want to see it again, simply click on Show Guide, and the guide will appear on the template once more. If you want to customize the guide, such as making the margins wider or narrower, or adjusting the header and footer spacing, you can go to the Settings option. From the letter settings, you can adjust the margins.
You can set the
right
margins
now,
from here.
I have set the margin to 40 on all sides, top, bottom, left, and right.
From my all side, top, bottom, left, right.
Additionally, you can upload your custom letterhead in PDF format. If you want to use your company's letterhead as the background, with your company's branding at the top and bottom, you can upload it here as PDF. Click Save, and you are good to go. From here, I will go back to the Templates option, and to create a new template, I will click on the Add Template button again. Here, I will give my template a name, such as Joining Agreement Letter. Now giving a heading to this letter, Joining Agreement Letter. Let's say I have given it this name. If I want to make it a little bigger than the normal text, I will click on Normal, select Heading 1, and then align it to the center. If you already have a custom letter template, you can simply copy and paste it here. For example, I already have a template in my Word document. I will simply copy it and paste it here so you can get an idea. Now we can start editing it directly from here. Let's say, for the date field, I will go here and choose the current date from the standard fields. I will add this custom variable directly here, and it will be inserted automatically. Similarly, for the employee name, I will add the employee's name here. For the employee address, I will add the employee's address here. Dear employee, I will insert the employee's name here, and in place of the company name, I will add the company name using the standard field. Then we can continue editing the document. You can add multiple custom variables directly from here wherever you want. For now, I am going with these. Currently, you can add the employee's joining date, department, designation, date of birth, and many other details directly in place of your text. Whenever you generate this template, it will automatically fetch these details from your system. Let's say I will bold this text and continue formatting the rest. The editing here is just like editing a document in Microsoft Word. I will edit this a little faster. Now, as I mentioned, this is a joining agreement. There are many situations where you need to send a particular template, letter, or document to two different signers. Let's say it's a contract or an agreement between two parties. In this case, I am creating a joining agreement between my employee and the company founder. What I want is for both the employee, to whom I am sending this joining agreement, and the company founder or CEO to sign this document. So, once I have finished creating this template, I will place my cursor here and go to the Signature Fields section. Then, I will select the digital signature field and resize it to make it a little bigger so that my employee can sign it easily. Similarly, I also want to capture the signer's name, the date they signed the document, and the location from where they signed it. In the same way, I will add another signature field and other same fields for the company founder or CEO. Once all of these things have been completed, and you are satisfied with the current format, simply click on the Save option and then go to Generate. Click on Generate. To generate that particular letter and send it to your employee as well as your admin or founder, go to Generate Letter. From here, you need to select your template. Once you have created a new template, it will appear at the top of the list. Now, all you have to do is select the employee to whom you want to send the joining letter. Let's say I'm sending this to Pooja. As soon as I select her, her details will start appearing here. You may see a message saying, "Please update the input." In this case, I have not added Pooja's address to the application yet. That's why it is asking me to update her address from the employee profile. How can you do this? Simply go back to the People module. Then click on Employees. Select Pooja, click on the Edit option, enter her address, and click Save. Now the address has been saved. Go back to the Sign module. Click on Generate. Then click on Generate Letter. Choose your template and select your employee. Now the employee's address will start appearing automatically. You don't need to do anything else. Once all the details have been fetched automatically, simply click Save, and then click on Generate again from the left sidebar. Now the joining agreement letter for Pooja will appear here. Now, click on the Action button and select Send for sign. For this example, I'm sending it to Pooja. I'll enter my email address so I can check whether I received the email or not. Once you have added the email addresses for Signer 1 and Signer 2, click Send and wait a few moments. Then ask them to check their email. They will receive an email notification. As you can see, I have received an email saying, "Hello Pooja, you have been requested to sign the following joining agreement letter." All they have to do is click on the Sign Document button. Their details will be displayed here. They simply need to enter their place. For example, Delhi. Then, they can draw or type their signature, tick the confirmation checkbox, and click Sign. Now, the document has been signed from Pooja's end. Let's go back and refresh the page. You can now see that Pooja has completed her signature. Only after Pooja signs the document will the second signer receive the email notification. The second signer will receive the email only after the first signer has successfully signed the document. We can wait a few moments and check whether the second signer has received the email. As you can see, I have now received another email. I will click on the Sign Document button. You can see that Pooja has already signed the document. Now, I will enter India as the place, add my signature, and click Sign. The document has now been signed from my end as well. Once both signatories have signed the document, they will receive a confirmation email. The email will include the fully signed agreement, along with the signature completion certificate for the document. You can refresh the page once again. Now you can see that both signatures have been completed. You can also download both the signed document and the signature certificate directly from here. The signers will receive an email containing the signed document along with the signature completion certificate. We'll meet again in another video, where we'll explain another module. Thank you.